इन्हें न्यूमेरिकल्स कहते हैं इनको, ये फाउंडेशन में बहुत ज्यादा आता है इस तरह के सम्स। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 15C4। 15C4, this is 15 into, और you can solve it completely क्योंकि ये सिर्फ वैल्यू पूछी है उन्होंने। तो we will write 15 factorial upon 4 factorial, 15 minus 4 factorial, that is 15 factorial upon 4 factorial into 11 factorial, that is 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial upon 4 factorial into 11 factorial. So that is 15 into 14 into 13 into 12, whole thing. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12, this is 7. So we can multiply this 15 into 7 into 13. So it will be 15 into 13 into 7, 1365. This is your answer. Like this, we can evaluate any number. Time. Just 80C2. That is 80 into 79 upon 1 into 2. So this is your answer. Sorry, 3160. Like this, we can find out values of any given thing. So this is plus 15C4 plus 15C5. This is 15C4 plus 15C5. 15C4 is 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 upon 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 plus 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. Okay. So this will be 15 into 13 into 7. That is 1365 plus 14 into 13 into 11 into 3. This is 6006. You can add this. 7371. Question 2. Find n if 6p2 is equals to n6c2. 6p2 is equals to n6c2. Now we have to find n. 6p2 is 6 factorial and 6 minus 2 factorial is equals to n. 6 factorial 2 factorial, 6 minus 2 factorial. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. You will get 1 is equals to n upon 2 factorial. N is equals to 2. Similarly, this one, 2nc3 as to nc2 is equals to 52 as to 3. Two nc3 as to nc2 is equals to 52 as to 3. This is 2nc3 nc2 52 upon 3. 2n factorial upon 3 factorial 2n minus 3 factorial whole thing n factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial is equals to 52 by 3. So we can write down this 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 factorial whole thing upon 3 factorial 2n minus 3 factorial n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial is equals to 52 by 3. This and this will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled. N will get cancelled. We can write down this as 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2. This 2n minus 2, I can take 2 common again. It is again n minus 1. This 2 factorial will go here, it will become 2. Whole thing, this 3 factorial will come here. 3 factorial is 6. Into n minus 1 is equals to 52 by 3. n minus 1 and he cancel. Ha 3 cancel. You will get 2 into 2n minus 1. 2 nahi hai 4 hai. 4 into 2n minus 1 is equals to 52. 8n minus 4 is equals to 52. 8n is 52 plus 4. 56. N is equals to 7. NC n minus 3 is equals to 84. So we have to find n. NC n minus 3 is equals to 84. This can be written as n factorial, n minus 3 factorial, n minus 3 factorial is equals to 84. N factorial, n minus 3 factorial. This is n minus n plus 3 factorial is equals to 84. This will get cancelled. N factorial can be written as n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial upon n minus 3 factorial upon 3 factorial is equals to 84. This will get cancelled. n minus 1, n minus 2 is equals to 84 into 6. 84 into 6 is 504. Now, these are 3 consecutive numbers. We have to express 504 also as multiplication of 3 consecutive numbers. So, n This is n minus 1, n minus 2 is equals to 504. n minus 1, n minus 2. 504 can be written as 9 into 8 into 7. So n is 9. There is one more way of solving this. You can expand, form a cubic equation and then solve. लेकिन cubic equation को solve करना बहुत मुश्किल है. ये comparably बहुत आसान हो जाता है. Third, find R if 14C2R as to 10C2R minus 4 is equals to 143 as to 10. (14C2R) upon 10C2R minus 4 is equals to 143 upon 10. This is 14 factorial, 2R factorial, 14 minus 2R factorial, whole thing upon 10 factorial, 2R minus 4 factorial, 10 minus 2R plus 4 factorial is equals to 143 upon 10. 10 minus 2R minus 4 minus minus plus. This will become 14 factorial. 2R factorial. 14 minus 2R factorial. Whole thing upon 10 factorial. I have to write this on another side. This is 14 factorial. 2R factorial. 14 minus 2R factorial. Whole thing upon 10 factorial. 2R minus 4 factorial. 14 minus 2R factorial is equals to 143 upon 10. Sorry, this will not get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled. हे डिनोमिनेटर वरती निघून जाईल, हे खाली येईल. 14 factorial into 2R minus 4 factorial. Whole thing upon 10 factorial. 2R factorial is equals to 143 by 10. We can write down this as 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. 2R minus 4 factorial. This is 10 factorial. 2R minus 1. 2R minus 2. 2R minus 3. 2R minus 4 factorial is equals to 143 by 10. This and this will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled. Now when you do cross multiplication, so we'll get 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 upon 143 is equals to 2R, 2R minus 1, 2R minus 2, 2R minus 3. 143, 11, 13 and 143 will get cancelled. 14 into 12 into 10 is 2R. 2R minus 1, 2R minus 2, 2R minus 3. These are three consecutive numbers. These are only two. Let us multiply 14 into 12 into 10. It is 1680 is equals to 2R. 2R minus 1, 2R minus 2, 2R minus 3. We have to find out the consecutive numbers whose multiplication is 1680. That to 4 such consecutive numbers. This will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 is equals to 2r. 2r minus 1, 2r minus 2, 2r minus 3. So this is the bigger number. 2r is equals to 8. R is 4. Question number 4. Find n and r if NPR is 70 and NCN minus R is 120. You have to find N and R. NPR is 720 and N minus R is 120. We know very well that NCR is equals to NCN minus R. So that is 120. So in short, NPR is 720 and NCR is 120. If you see the formula of NPR, it is n factorial n minus r factorial. And NCR is n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial. If I take r factorial here, I'll get r factorial NCR is equals to n factorial n minus r factorial. This I'll put as NPR. So I get a result. R factorial NCR is equal to NPR. So let us put these values here. R factorial NCR is 120. NPR is 720. So R factorial is 720 upon 120. Obviously, R factorial is 6. R factorial can be written because 6 is nothing but 3 factorial. So R is equal to 3. I've got R. I can put R in any one of them and I can find out N. So NC3 is equals to 120. N factorial, 3 factorial, N minus 3 factorial is equals to 120. N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3 factorial upon 6, N minus 3 factorial is equals to 120. N minus 1, N minus 2 is equals to 720. 720 can be written as 10 into 9 into 8. So N minus 1, N minus 2 is this. So N is equals to 10. R is equals to 3. Got our answer. क्वेश्चन फोर्थ का क्वेश्चन 2 हम लोग बाद में करेंगे क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा है, हमारा टाइम नहीं है उतना. क्वेश्चन 5 विल डू. NPR is 1814400 and NCR is 45. You have to find R. Now we know very well that R factorial NCR is equals to NPR. So R factorial 45 is equals to 1814400. So R factorial is 1814400 divided by 45 is 40320. This is nothing but 8 factorial. So R factorial is 8 factorial. So R is equals to 8.